We're going to talk about the Gliese 1061 system. It's a red dwarf located 12 light years away from Earth in the southern constellation of Hercules. It's a relatively nearby star. It had a apparent magnitude of 13, but it can only be seen by we are using at least a moderate sized telescope. Uh, let's see. It's an M5.5V star. Yeah. It has a mass of 0.125 solar masses and a radius of 0.152 solar radii, a temperature of 2900 and 7700 K. Um, its planets B has 1.11 solar masses, so it's an Earth-like planet, but it orbits only 3.207 days, which is very close. It's 0.02. It's likely rocky, but it's very very hot, super hot. It's certainly uninhabitable. Probably at least 500, maybe 800 degrees. Next, we got C, which is actually the first probably habitable planet. It's 1.81 Earth masses. It orbits at 0.0342 AUs, and it orbits every 6.6 days, which means GJ 1061c is a potentially habitable exoplanet orbiting with the limits of the observatory defined habits on Earth's red dwarf parent star. It's about 81% more massive than Earth. The planet receives 35% more solar flux than Earth, which probably means it isn't habitable unless, I mean, maybe around the Terminator zone, maybe, or on the uh, on under the ice on the other side, maybe. It's about 275 K or 55 Fahrenheit. Should the atmosphere be of a similar resist to Earth, the average temperature of the surface would be warmer at around 34 C, 93 Fahrenheit. I mean, probably that's fair. I mean, it's probably about 250 degrees. I mean, but I'm just being honest. It orbits parent star very closely every 6.7 days at a distance of just 0.035 AU, so it is probably tightly locked, almost certainly. I mean, let's just be honest. GJ 1061d is a planetary habitable planet, largely already within the limits of the conservatively defined habitable zone of its parent star. That planet is about 67% more massive than the Earth. The planet receives about 40% less solar flux than Earth and has an estimated equivalent temperature of 218 K or minus 67 Fahrenheit. The average temperature on the surface would be colder than Earth at around 250 K minus 10 Fahrenheit, implied the atmosphere is similar to that of Earth. It orbits every 13 days to its close, and assuming major exit, it is likely that the expedition is highly locked. Certainly. However, the planet's orbit is confirmed to be higher rank than this assist could be destabilized during the system. We'll have to see about that. Yeah. Another source for this peg gives it a slightly short period of 12.4 days and a slightly warmer minimum, smaller minimum mass of 1.53. Hey, if it's close to the star, it gets more energy. It's probably more Earth-like, and if it's slightly smaller, I mean, it's more Earth-like, more likely more habitable. So hey, fingers crossed on that. I mean, hopefully, the fact that it's pretty close, we're gonna get more telescopes looking at these planets, and we're gonna confirm D being closer to it's a little bit closer to the star, a little bit smaller, and that would be nice. So this is what we have in this system.